I got here a 2018 Toyota Sienna. Customer complaint is it's running lean, and I think sometimes stalling or it's hard to start. They looked a while ago. I mean, it was here a few days ago, I think, and there was a hose loose under the hood. So they fixed that, but it's back. So they want me to look at it. Now let's just see how it starts up. All right, now it started up fine. Wipers are on. Okay, we do have a check engine light. Yeah, let's do a scan. So the idle is high. It's at 1.5 right now. I mean, it could be it's normal. It just started. I don't know how long it's been off for. It's probably could be just trying to warm up. Alright. Just hearing the symptoms to me, it sounds like a purge valve that's stuck open. But wow, 17 codes in the ECM. But I need to get a pre-scan anyway, so I'm not gonna just run and check that. Let me just see what these codes are for. Idle control system tooling bank 2, bank 1, evap system leak detected, incorrect purge flow. It's screaming purge valve was stuck open. Well, let's just do some tests you could do from the driver's seat before that. Let me just make a report. Okay, I'm gonna go into generic OBD. And let's see, let's go to live data. We'll just grab fuel trims. Bank 1 and fuel trims bank 2, and they're both running lean. So I'm going to graph these, and here we got bank 1 and bank 2 long term and short term. Now, for some reason short term is not showing up. I pushed the wrong one. Hold on. It's that short one right here. Okay. So we're running about 25 lean, or this one, bank 2 is even more. Bank 2 is 30, and this is 18 and 7. Is 25 and 30. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna raise the idle and see if it fixes itself. And there you go. You see, at 8 and we're at -7, and 12 -9 means we're almost at 0. So this is screaming vacuum leak, because when the vacuum rises, when you raise the throttle, it lowers the vacuum in the intake, so the leak is not showing as much. So pretty much I'm gonna check the purge valve. Alright, let's see. Here's the purge valve right here. So step number 1, I want to disconnect the purge valve so it's not live. And then we'll disconnect this hose right here, and it's leaking right through. See that? It actually fixed up, but the car almost stalled. There's a faulty purge valve. Because this should have no vacuum when this is unplugged. So it's intermittently sticking. Yep, it's vacuum again. So that's it. This thing just needs a purge valve. That's why it almost stalled when I pulled it open. Yeah, it's an easy one. I got these a lot, but I would be a little concerned because there's definitely some sort of damage down here. Looks like some sort of rat's nest. But that's it, just a purge valve. Fix the purge valve. The fuel trim should return to normal. It's just pretty much letting in an open vacuum leak the whole time. All right, so now you see, the way these things work is that when you have vacuum on it, it opens up and then it can't close. Once I unplug it, you feel a vacuum leak shoot in, and then it shuts off, and then it stops being a vacuum leak. So if you look at the fuel trims right now, I didn't clear anything. It's at -3, and it's perfect. So it's an intermittent problem. I've seen this many times. You see right now, you see when I go to a different fuel cell, it's showing that it's still lean over there. Well, it's not really, it's balancing out, but it just shows a long-term still lean because it didn't relearn. But the short-term relearned. This is very common on these. Now, it could fix itself for a day or 2 days, but it definitely needs a purge valve. It's just gonna come back on. But it's just cool how it fixes itself once you unplug it. I mean, the first time I had this, I was positive that it was a purge valve because I saw it happen, but I couldn't prove it to the shop. And I don't know, they really didn't want to put one in, so they said they're gonna wait. And then a day later, they called me back, and I was able to show them in person. I was able to show them while they were there that the first second when you pull it off, you see the air rushing in, and then it fixes itself. All right, thanks for watching.